Hello everybody and welcome back. Today, as you can see, we have everything outside. There's me back here. It runs great still. Carburetor's bad. Well, my Go Power Sports carburetor's clogged on it. So I'm going to try to do my best. I got my head mount on today for my camera. I've never tried it. I hope y'all can see this. And I'll show y'all at the end of the video. We got a seat going for going on the three-wheeler. Homemade seat. My dad made the seat pan and everything, but crap, I got the socket and I didn't get the ratchet. There's the three-wheeler's seat right there that we're making. It's gonna be pretty nice. We got foam everywhere. So you want strip curtains. Yeah, the grass is still wet from the dew this morning. Hope I don't tear a gasket or something. You know, I think it just might be from... It's been a while since I rode it. Last time I rode it, I went mudding in it. So, I don't know what kind of condition this carburetor's going to be in. It's been a while since I rode it. This carburetor's great though. You can just feel mixture on it. Unlike the stock ones. Them washers fell down in there. It's your intake. Oh, I forgot I swapped it out to one of these metal reusable gaskets. Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and take that off, sit down in there. Just gonna work this out of there, I thought. There we go. Now for the gas line. Here's a trick. Take a screwdriver, Phillips head, put it in the line. Once you get the line off your carburetor, you cram that up in there. And bang. Make sure you get it up in there and it ain't gonna leak. Now this is just gonna be some quick and a little dirty. I got gas all over me. Oh crap. Forgot about that. My mom's gonna kill me now. Go outside, just get gas on me. We've been running. First when we got that through, we run 1030 in it. But so when it gets about 90 degrees outside and up, you won't run 1040. We had a little rattling to it. So, we're going to run a little bit thicker oil in it. I know you are thinking, don't run too thick of oil in it. But, how it's running, we think it needs it. Because it's an old motor and you got to think it's got wear on it and everything else. So, stuffing gas in the grass. Smart, right? Got a dead spot right here in grass. Just gonna do this so I can go ahead and empty out the bowl. We still got anything left in it? Nothing. Here's a trick on when you're outside. Well, let's just bring this inside. So might try to use the air compressor on this. I ain't for sure yet. Go over to this table. I've been cleaning a little bit. I'll give y'all a hint at the end of the video while we're trying to clean up the shop and why everything's outside and everything else. Y'all are probably like, what in the world is it? And I'll let y'all know, don't worry. I ain't tore into this yet, so. Ain't so much junk in there. Bet a jet's clogged or something. Well, go ahead and take my floats out. I ain't gonna hurt take this part. I've learned everything I know from my dad and cars and cameras, so cars and cameras they got a pretty nice new shop, I'll say that. I love their shop. Got 4-post bin pack lifts in there and everything else. Stuff we hear some of our mechanics never dream about. Unless my dad saved up money and went and bought some. No, that's not the surprise either. Just getting lifts and everything else. But what we're going to be doing, we might need lifts. It's not a joke. Normally you'd see, you'll find out, hey, what you had tuned at and you'd put it back. But it's too complicated for me. I don't even know why I took out the idle. Here's your fuel mixture. I love how Go Power Sports does that, and it has some crud in it. I think it's just off of that, but I love how Go Power Sports does their parts. This is a Go Power Sports carburetor, so 212 and 196 clone carburetor. What it was called. Come on out, Mr. Mainjet. My mainjet's a little clogged up. Get some degreaser. Hashtag brake line. I mentioned this is going to be a quick and dirty carb clean. This is very quick and dirty. I might just get the air compressor. We ain't tried that yet. Ow. I'm running over everything. Take the air hose. Yeah, I got an air compressor back there. A little Hitachi air compressor. My dad's old one that we hijacked. This should leak. Yep. I can take that out right there. Okay. That wasn't good. Just trying to clean stuff off. It kicked on. Our emulsion tube come out. Well, alright. I hope y'all can see this. No, it's not leaking where that seal is, it's leaking in that. Don't know why. So yeah, but it is. So ring's kind of important. If you don't want to see, if you want to not leak. It also help if I didn't drop everything. Trying to put the floats back in. Yeah, they got some gunk on them, but I use the air hose. Everybody always, I've watched, use brake clean or air to clean out their carburetors. I've never tried air. So that was the first time I've used air. So yeah, I seem to like it. Saves me from going out and buy a brake clean. I might have to do a part 2 on this. I don't know how long I've been filming for. Yeah, it don't matter. Now on these, you don't really have to tighten them down that much. Just want it snug. Cause trust me, they ain't gonna come undone. This right here, I barely had it screwed in. Alright, get that shut up. Alright, come on, let's go. Yeah, I would prefer to have this thing backed up in the shop, but I can't. And it takes cracks right there. I don't care though. Oh crap. We forgot our idle screw that goes on the carburetor. We're losing it. Well, I'm losing it. I think we blew it off the table. Uh-oh. That ain't good. Find an old junk carburetor now. Oh crap, now I've got a junk carburetor. Let me just see how long I've been filming for. Only 12 minutes. Let's see here. 13 minutes. We only got 15 minutes. I don't know where a junk carburetor is, y'all. This might be a problem. That ain't good. Brand new carburetor. Alright, y'all. When I find the screw, I'll turn this camera back on. We'll finish this up. We'll tune it and everything. But thanks for watching. See y'all next time.